And then competition is so much when it comes to non-medical. So when I gave my 12th exams, I was not sure what to do further. At that time, for us, computer was very big thing. Definitely, because when you say computer science, there is software, there is hardware, many things are included. When you go for engineering, there will be different terms, IT and computer science. So, and sometimes computer engineering. So many things are involved. But at the end, when you're completing IT or computer science or computer engineering, you will be at one place again, because you'll be working on computers, you'll be working on softwares. That's all. It totally depends on interest. So if you're doing computer science, the career opportunities are there for sure. So very careful, because 10th and 12th is the basic foundation, what you want to do further in your career. I have my colleagues who just completed their 10th and then they got admission into diploma. So diploma they are doing in civil engineering, and then later on they thought, okay, we want to do computer engineering. Again, you are getting distracted from your mentality or what you want to do further, right? That is totally fine, because that happens, because that's the age. But consult with others who are already working in that field. Identify what exactly your interest is and where it leads to further. Talking about career opportunities, definitely if you are learning computer science, obviously you will get a degree, because if you are admitted in a college, obviously 4 years, 5 years. If you are a little unlucky, definitely it'll take time. However, if you complete it on time, placements are there if you're very good in studies. And if you get placed, very good thing. But if you don't, then still you will be trying further. But opportunities are there. Right? Bangalore is job hub for IT, Gurgaon, Noida. Many states are developed now, so you have multiple options. It's just you need to know where to go and what to pursue after computer science or within computer science. Have basic networking terms in place, because if you have an idea how the things are flowing when a computer is connected to other devices, you should be knowing that basic flow. You shouldn't be knowing okay, computer is a machine and this and all, not just theoretical part. You should be knowing if mouse is connected or if keyboard is connected, if internet cable is connected. You should be knowing what is the purpose of it, how it is connected. Because if you are just saying internet is connected, the cable is connected, internet is working, there is no difference between you and your parents, because that is how they understand, right? A cable is connected and internet is working. But you need to know the basic things. This is very basic. For now, you are in 10th and 12th, or you just graduated, you may not be knowing how these things are there. Start learning about it. These are very basic things. What are the different terms in networking? Networking is being used everywhere. A mobile phone, a laptop, anything. If you're doing a UPI payment, networking will come into picture everywhere. That's the first thing. You need to know networking in very detail. Second thing, the basic terms about anything. So in programming, we have classes, we have so in data structure is very important field. Data structure, SQL, networking, these three fields, if you have good knowledge about it, one of the field will help you to get into a company. If you're good with SQL is being used in maximum organizations. If you are good with data structure is one of the important thing when you are sitting in any interview for programming. You will be asked with thousands of questions on data structures, and if you are able to learn it, because I think in third or fourth semester you will have a book which will be data structures or data algorithm. Please spend time on it and learn it with interest, because that will help you in future. And one thing is OOPS, object oriented programming. The name is OOPS, but definitely it's not OOPS. It's going to help you in longer way. When I started my journey, initially I worked for an Indian company, that is Infosys, and right, Indian company, they grown up here, they have headquarters here. So Infosys is the MNC, but when we say MNC as an Indian mentality, we think okay, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, these are MNCs for us, because they are everywhere. But not like that. Infosys, TCS, HCL, Wipro, these are Indian companies, but they are everywhere. The only problem with these organizations is that when you join these organizations, money is less, but lots of learning is there. these companies will prepare you, or these companies will train you in such a way that whatever organization you join in the future, you will be able to adjust there. So I got 6 months training when I joined Infosys, and then good part about was it like when you join the company, you don't have to worry about your stay and all. When you join the company for the first day, they give you flight tickets, they give you hotel expenses and everything. So when you get the job at your own, still companies are going to offer you, if it's a very good company, if it's startup, good luck, because you will have lots of pressure, less money, but learning will be again there. So whatever your first company is, of course, you don't learn many things in the college. You just learn theoretical part. I know how discipline works in college. You will be like roaming around. Sometimes you don't attend classes, then you will be absent maximum days. So I know, if your friend XYZ is not coming to college, you will feel, okay, I am also not going to attend the college today.
Bunk.
But yeah, bunk, right? That's a specific term we used to use. And then even teachers, right? Okay, did you bunk yesterday? Yes, we did. And then we'll be paying fines and all too, so that they can allow us to sit in exams. So once you join the company, good thing is you'll learn discipline. You will meet new people who has lots of experience, and many things you may not have seen before. Time punctuality, which you may have missed during college. Yeah. And then definitely you will be punctual in things, and then that is how you will understand the corporate world. So challenge part, when I joined my first company, I spent almost my entire 16 years in North India. When I went to South India, the big challenge was there was no one from North India. Not differentiating like North Indian and South Indians, but definitely, yeah. Why I'm telling you, because that's one of the challenge, right? You were in a community where you talk in specific language, you have most of the similarities, right? And then you are thrown into one place where everything is different, the food, the culture, the language, everything. And then I was so depressed for a couple of months, like, how will I survive here? Then one other thought struck in my head, like, okay, nobody from my college apart from 2 students got selected for this company. There may be something planned for me. I continued there. Later on, I got adjusted to everything. The challenge was, as I said, you'll be getting very less amount of salary in the first company. You will be wearing like only 2 to 3 shirts in the entire month, or you'll be repeating those clothes again. It happened with me. I was just getting like 12 to 13,000 per month, which was like nothing for me. Staying in Bangalore, I was my first job was in Bangalore. So staying in Bangalore, I think 6,000 to 5,000 was rent. So you can imagine like how much I'll be left out with, right? I was having just one pizza on 1st of every month, because that is when my salary was getting credited. And after that, no outside food, just completely relying on company's food or PG's food. So these are the challenges, financial challenges you will face. Additionally, people will be judging you from where you come from, how you behave, how you manage things. If you are not, and 6 months probation period, right? You may have heard like probation period. So do well in that. People will be judging you in that. You may not be noticing that, but everything will be judged, everything will be noticed, everything will be observed. According to that, your next salary package will be revised. But if you think like you're going to company, you're just attending the sessions, you're just doing the work for the sake, no, you will not be successful. So focus on those 6 months. Those 6 months are going to change your life, and that is the biggest challenge. These 6 months, you will be thrown into different projects. Sometimes you may not like those projects. Sometimes you may not feel like those projects are of your interest. But don't worry. Just start your journey with something, and you will feel good about it further.